Well, hey everyone, unboxing. This video is just unboxing race ramps, part number RR-56. I bought these so I can just make working on doing jobs on little jobs on the car easier. Yeah, that's the things there, that's the details there. These came from VPW in Australia, which was a bit cheaper than getting them all the way from. Cheaper. Oh, apparently made in USA. Yay! So I'll get to unboxing these and we'll have a look at them. Handle. That is the thing. This is 1,500 pounds max. BruteTechnologies.com. That's the patent. Made in USA by Brute Technologies. That is them. Warning, blah blah blah. Warning. Warranty, etc. etc. Some kind of instructions. It's hard to explain what this material is like. It's actually it's just got a slight bit of you can just press it slightly, but that's about it. It's pretty solid, but also quite light, so I think somebody was using their brain. Anyway, these are meant to be, as far as I could see, these are the best product that's out there in terms of ramps. That they don't slide away when you drive on them, they stay in place, they're wide enough for wide tires. I think these are 300 wide or something. You can look up the specs if you like. RR-56. You can also get these in two-piece and pay a bit more, but I was being a bit cheap about it and they cost enough anyway, so I just went for the one-piece. The two-piece, the idea is to take away part of it so that you can get under the side of the car as well. You can also get some lower ones that go under the rear so you can lift the whole car up further at the front here. I think this is a 170 mil 17 centimeter lift, I think, at the front from memory. I think I could be wrong. And you can also raise it a bit at the rear by putting I might get those later, putting one under the rear that fits under there as well, and then you get the whole car up, which, as you can imagine, would be quite useful. So anyway, the first job for these is, I haven't got them here in the garage, but is doing the belts, the accessories belts on the Z, because they're worn. So that's the first job for these, and then oil changes and such like. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you to have a look at these ramps.